My name is Chavez Green, certified personal trainer with AAAI, and I'm going to be teaching an in-person live personal trainer fitness certification workshop Sunday, January 25th, 2026 at Pickup Fitness Basketball USA in Towson, Maryland. Please make sure you purchase the study material, whether it be the PDF or the book. This is going to be one of the best certification classes you're going to take if you are newer to the fitness industry or you want to get your continuing education credits. It's going to cover everything from anatomy to working with clients of different ages, program design, coaching, hands-on experience on how to use various modalities and equipment. And it's going to be a live in-person workshop. You can ask the questions right in there with me as the personal trainer and the certified instructor. We're going to have access to the gym as well, so you can learn about the different machines. You can learn about how to do your reps and sets, and also how to do an in-person assessment with your clients. What happens when they come in and you have somebody who's 15 who plays basketball versus someone who's 80 years old, never had any personal training experience before. It's going to help boots on the ground in person. It's going to take what you will do live in an in-person workshop to what you'll be doing day to day in your profession. There's nothing like it in the industry, and I'm looking forward to teaching it. Again, that is Sunday, January 25th, 2026 at Pickup Fitness Towson, USA. And the link in the description will be below